If a portion of half water, half alcohol mixture is replaced with 50% with 25% alcohol solution, the resulting in a 30% alcohol solution. Alright, so let me just quickly draw a diagram here. So we have some solution here which has 50% alcohol content because it is half water, half alcohol. That means 50% alcohol is available in this solution. Now some portion of it has been replaced with a 25% alcohol solution. So we are assuming that this is actually the replaced quantity. So which is represented by variable a, that means b represents the leftover of the original solution. Now we need to understand that since a is the replaced solution, so it is contributing 25% alcohol of its own quantity, while b, which is the leftover of original 50% alcohol solution, is contributing 50% of its own quantity, and the final amount of alcohol in the mixture is equivalent to 30% because finally we have a 30% alcohol solution. So let's quickly form an equation. The equation will simply be alcohol of A plus alcohol of B should be equal to the alcohol in the final mixture A plus B. Alcohol in A is 25% of A, alcohol in B is 50% of B, and that is equal to 30% of A plus B. Let's simplify these equations, and simplification gives us 5A is equal to 20B, which finally gives us A upon B is equal to 4 over 1. Now let us see what is the question asking. The last line should be read once again. What percentage of the original alcohol solution was replaced? So we have to find out the replaced quantity over the total quantity. So the replaced quantity is 4 out of 4 plus 1, 5 parts. So the percentage becomes 80%, and therefore the answer to the question is option E. Now, the same question could also have been answered using the alligation method, which simply says that initially we have 50% alcohol solution and some of it is replaced by 25% alcohol solution. This is the replaced quantity which we are marking by A. This is the leftover of original quantity, and finally we have a 30% alcohol solution. We take the diagonal differences. So the difference of 25 and 30 is 5, and the difference of 50 and 30 is 20. So we understand that the ratio of B by A is 1 by 4, which means A upon B is equal to 4 over 1. So we have the same ratio and we have the same answer. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. Thank you so much.